Changing your payout method on WalkMe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your WalkMe account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Enter the required information for your new payment method, such as bank details or payment service information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on WalkMe. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WalkMe support for assistance.